Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will look into the differences between horizontal and vertical integration. Growth and expansion are the two needs of every firm, irrespective of its size and nature. Firms can grow and expand themselves by way of integration. There are two major forms of integration, that is, horizontal integration and vertical integration. Horizontal integration is a kind of business expansion strategy, wherein the company acquires same business line or at the same level of value chain so as to eliminate competition to a greater extent. Conversely, vertical integration is used to rule over the entire industry by covering the supply chain. It implies the integration of various entities engaged in different stages of the distribution chain. So, let's look into the basic differences between horizontal and vertical integration in a tabular form. Difference number 1. Horizontal integration occurs between two firms whose product and production level are same, whereas vertical integration is an integration of two firms that operates in different stages of the manufacturing process, as we can see in these two figures. Number 2. Horizontal integration aims at increasing the size of business and scale of production, whereas vertical integration focuses on strengthening and smoothing its production distribution process. Number 3. The greatest advantage of horizontal integration is that it eliminates competition between firms, which ultimately extends the market share of the company. Conversely, vertical integration results in lowering the cost of production and wastage. Number 4. Capital requirement is higher in horizontal integration, whereas capital requirement is lower in vertical integration. Number 5. Horizontal integration only brings synergy, but not self-sufficiency, whereas vertical integration helps the company gain synergy with self-sufficiency. And difference number 6. Horizontal integration helps to acquire control over the market, whereas vertical integration is a strategy used for gaining control over the whole industry.